Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make an N95 mask out of this bra. This was my sister's old bra she was going to give away anyway. First step is that right in the middle, you cut it on either side so that can't cut it. I did it! Okay, and then you go to the next one, and then you cut this little piece off, and then
what do you call that little piece?
I don't know, the connector. You don't want these straps in the back, but you do want these to wrap around your head. And so we take these off like that, and then you take your scissors and cut this part off. But you do want this part, so you're gonna unhook this part from this thing. I don't know what it is. Okay, and then you're gonna unhook it so that you have this. And then you're gonna take this, which was the sides of the bra.
Bra strap.
Then you're gonna take this, and this was the bra strap that went over your shoulder. And you're gonna put it around so that this, you're gonna put it, what is this called?
Pad.
Okay. You're gonna put it around so that the pad is what would be like on your chin. And so where you think you would do it, so put it a little bit higher than wherever you think you would do it, because if you want it higher on your head, then you should put it a little bit higher. And so I'm gonna put it like here and here. And then you're gonna do an over-under thread. So you're gonna poke it in through the strap and through the mask, and then pull it tight so that this little knot that you have here on the end goes like is through on the other side. And then you're gonna go from this side, you're gonna poke it in like that, and then pull it. And then you want a knot at the end. So you put 2 or 1 finger around, and then use this extra string with the needle attached to go right through, and then pull the extra string. Good, okay. So we have the knot, and then you can cut the excess off. You want a shirt to cover the bra part. You want a shirt to cover the, what is this called? Cup, right? You want a shirt to cover the cup so that you can't see all of the padding and things. And so you boil a shirt and then let it sit out so that it gets a little bit smaller. For my model here, we took the back end of this shirt, and so you can see it's been cut. And so we have about this much fabric. If you want, you can have a smaller amount or a bigger amount per bra size that you have. Do this. What size bra is this? I don't know. B8. Is B8 a bra size? C3. 102. B. I don't know. I don't need. After you get this threaded, then you're gonna want to sew this into the sides of the bra where you think that it will go. And then so you'd sew it, I'd say about like right here and here. And then you'd sew this, and then it would easily go around your face, your head like a mask would. And then you're going to add this piece of fabric that you cut and sew around here, and then leave a little bit of space open over on the top. And if there's holes over here, you can take a paper clip, flatten it out, and then put it inside where your hole is. Put it inside here, and so that it can shape the mask so that it fits your face.
Anyone want lunch?
Yes, Mom, but we're doing something, please. And so this would be what the finished product looks like with stitches around here. But also, if you're too lazy to sew the other...
Hey guys, come on, let's get some dinner.
Dad, come on, we're trying to do something. You can cut this fabric part, this plushy part. What is it called?
Padding.
This padding, and then cut it really gently so that you have 2 different sides, and then you put that on your chin. Take the strap that you've made on either side. Make sure this goes on your chin, and then put it around your face, and then this can just hang down like this. It'll just look cooler. This is what the bra will end up looking like after the shirt is on and after everything is inside. And then you can put it on like There is your mask. Unless you do all of the steps exactly right, then you should not wear it outside and take your chances, because anyway, you shouldn't be outside because it's coronavirus time. Stay home. For my next video, I'll teach you how to make an N95 mask into a bra.